Hi all, welcome to my channel Equity Swing Trader. Here we'll be learning the stocks for the next day or stock for the tomorrow. So for today there are so many stocks. But yeah, we have now we'll be giving the idea where how we traded in those stocks, whether it's for short term or intraday. So for few stocks we have traded in as intraday, and for few stocks that were from past 2-3 days. So let's look at all those stocks. So you can see the prices are fluctuating still. That means the market is still live. Okay, so I will analyze how we identified the stocks and how we booked a good profit in those stocks. So there are few stocks. So I will look at all those stocks one by one. What was the logic behind in trading in that particular stock, and why we traded, how we booked. So let's look at that. So we'll take the first stock, that is, you can see the first one, that is National Aluminium. So this is the day wise chart. Actually, you can see this, you can see the time frame here. So that is the day wise, and you can see there are few indicators, that is EMA, 25 EMA, 50 EMA and 100 EMA. So mostly, so I'll be trading based on these EMAs and purely based on the candle as well as the volume. So now you can see, so there are a lot of opportunities you can get, and lot of knowledge and everything. But here the most important thing is how we trade. So here first, what this was the stock not for the intraday, but it was for the short term. So I was holding this for stock for from past 2-3 days. Yeah, I'll let you know how I bought this stock and how I booked this stock as well. You can see there is it's with the 6% of that day. That means you about the cost, and you can see the percentage of up, that is by today only, that is 6% up. So how I traded these stocks, see, if I see there is a continuous downtrend in this, so this is nothing but a simple strategy, that is breakout and retest strategy. So based on that one, I have traded this stock. So how I traded this, because if you can see that there is a, you know it's a continuous in downtrend from this, that is from the time, you can see it's from almost from the September, it's in downtrend. You can see, if you draw a trend line here, sorry guys, yeah, if you draw a trend line here, so this will connect this, you can connect this high and here. Okay, if you draw a trend line, so here there is a breakout here at these green candles, there is a breakout. So immediately after the breakout, we don't need to buy, because immediately after the breakout there will be some, it can be a false breakout also, but it can be a true breakout also. So if it's a true breakout, then we can think that we are unlucky. Okay, but if it's a false breakout, then it can, maybe you may buy by thinking that it's a breakout. But if it's a false breakout, then it will come back definitely. Okay, it will be in the downtrend and it will continue this trend. So we don't want such, such things actually. So we will always trade the retest of that breakout. So you can see, if you can imagine, there is a trend line like this, that is a down trend line, and there is a breakout. So after this breakout, after this breakout, you can see there is some, profit booking happened. We can say this is not the downtrend, actually this is the profit booking which happened. So the profit booking happened, and immediately after that profit booking, so this trend line will come here, and it is retesting that, and it's a boom here. So the sign, so how we can identify, and how, when we can buy, and how we can sure that it will go up, because you can see this, there is a breakout of this trend line here. So after the breakout, there is some profit. There are those who wanted to book, so they have sold. Those who have bought here, they sold here, and you can see there is one doji between. So that doji is indicating what, there is some profit booking happening. And as well as if you see the volume behind the volume of this doji, if you see the volume of this doji is also good, it's kind of good only. So based on this doji you can trade. It's a sign of the market reversal where this breakout happened, and sellers, those who wanted to sell, they sold these stocks, and then here again some buyers are appearing. So that indicates that there is a retest happening. So we bought this stocks at 98 rupees, so somewhere here on the doji day. So we bought here at 98 rupees immediately after the next doji day, and we kept the stop loss here 95. And then see, you can see on the next day there is some more profit booking happened, or the sellers, those who wanted, they sold the stocks, and immediately after that there is a boom. That means from, you see, we bought at a 98 rupees and currently it is trading at 104, but we booked at 105 rupees, that is at a very high price. You can see the high of this, the high of today's is 105.15, but how we sold, so that is also important. So the profit booking is also very much important. So how we sold that, if you see, our first target would be this one, that means 101. So we bought at 98, and our first target would be this one, this high, the previous high. And next, since it gave the breakout today, so we were holding that, and our next target was this high. So that is 105. So we booked at 105, and we don't want to worry about the future up movement because this was our target and our target was hit, so we booked that. So that means how much percentage we booked, so that we will be looking at. That means from 98 to 104, so it's almost 10% return in a span of 2 days. So this is the one stocks which we bought and we booked good. And you can see the company is also good, and you can see the volume, and the volume, and you can check for the this one, that is upper circuit and all those things. So those things you can check, and you can see the fundamentals of this, that is, this is nothing but a promoter holding. So almost 52% of promoter holdings, and there is FII holdings as well, and there is other domestic institution DIIs and retailers and other things, mutual funds also. So the company is also good, and if you get a similar opportunities, you can trade easily without, you know without thinking much. Yeah, that's all. And for the, if you want to learn the new things like this, if you want to earn the money, so please do follow our channel Equity Swing Trader. Yeah. We'll analyze the next strokes in the next video. Yeah, thank you guys.